FD800 concrete mixer with lifting device construction video, compact structure, high transmission efficiency, few wearing parts, simple maintenance, long service life, and suitable for mixing concrete of varying slumps, small footprint, suitable for construction sites with limited space, enabling more efficient use of space resources, relatively simple operation process, easy for operators to master, stable operation, featuring a dual rope lifting system and multiple limit protection systems, ensuring stability and sturdiness. We offer a variety of models for you to choose from. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us for details.